Okay, so now we're going to talk about Article 1164 of Obligations and Contracts. So this is episode number 7 of our Oblicon series. Article 1164 states that the creditor has a right to the fruits of the thing from the time the obligation to deliver it arises. So we're talking about rights of a creditor over the fruits from the time to deliver it arises. No? This is the first sentence of that paragraph. So it states that the creditor has a right over the fruits of the thing from the time to deliver it arises. So let's say, for example, A is obliged to deliver a parcel of land on May 30 to B. So if that's the case, then using this provision, Article 1164, the creditor has only the rights over the fruits of the land from the time the obligation to deliver it arises. So today is May 26. This May 26, so wala pang obligation to deliver. The obligation to deliver is on May 30. So dito lang magkakaroon ng right si creditor. Now the question is, what kind of right? Okay? The law provides two kinds of rights. First is personal right. The second is real. The second is real right. No? So when we say personal right, it is the right of the creditor to demand enforcement. No? To demand enforcement against a specific person. So it's personal. Personal. It's personal. You can enforce that right against a specific person. Against isang tao lang. It's personal. No? Kaya siya tinawag na personal right. Yung pangalawa naman is real right. So when we say real right, it is enforceable against the whole world. It's real. No, I have it. No. Let's say, for example, if you own and possess a lot or a parcel of land, no, you have a real right. Meaning you can enforce your ownership against the world. Okay? Yan yung real na right. No? Ano yung right na sinasabi natin dyan? Over the fruits. No? From the time it is delivered, kung ma-deliver siya, okay, ang sinasabi ng Article 1164 is meron ka ng real na right. But, what if hindi niya na-deliver on May 30? Pero na-deliver niya lang on June 5. No? June 5 niya lang na-deliver. So, after May 30, no? May 31 onwards, no? Diyan pumapasok yung personal right. No? Yung personal right is the creditor has a right to demand the enforcement, no? Or to demand delivery ng lupa. So from May 31 onwards, pwede niyang i-exercise yung personal right niya. I-demand niya yung debtor to deliver the thing or the land. Pero wala pa siyang real right doon. No? Real right only arises when the thing is already delivered. So kung di-deliver yung land nung June 5 lang, dito lang siya magkakaroon ng real right. Okay? As far as any right over the thing, no, kung wala pang delivery, walang real right. So we can go to a conclusion, no? No delivery, no real right. Okay? But you can exercise your personal right to enforce or demand delivery. So take note, no delivery, no real right. You don't have rights over the fruits of the land. You have the right, however, to demand delivery of the land as promised. So yun lang.